Here we go. Once again, we're about to do a MIG weld with our MIG machine right here. We got our gas right here, which should be all the way open. The pressure should be 75% argon, and then you got 25% carbon that comes out of the exhaust of the welder machine. It's for a cover gas to support the weld. Our feed speed is at 325. Our heat is set for E, which is pretty hot. So once we have our gas open, our next step will be our PPE, which we have a helmet here. We have our heat insulated gloves. And we'll have a piece of metal to weld on, our pliers to pick up our hot weld once we're finished, and optional PPE will be your safety glasses on up underneath your helmet. So with that being said, let's put our PPE on and let's get busy. Let's get busy. Once you have your PPE all situated, got your helmet on, got your safety glasses up under there for any sparks that come underneath your helmet, got your gloves on, we're ready for welding. So our next step was grab our welding gun, hit the power, make sure we set on 325, make sure that our voltage is set to E, and then we can get busy with our weld. One more step. If you feel like your welding rod is too big, all you have to do is once you have the machine on, squeeze the trigger, bump it against something metal, break it off like you want it, and get busy. Once you have laid your bead down, or your weld, I don't call it a bead. A lot of people call it something else. But once you have laid it down, you turn your machine off, hook your welder right here, pick up your weld with some pliers, take it to the bucket of water and cool it down. Once you have dipped it, you need to take it to the wire wheel or the wire brush and clean it to make sure that everything's stuck like it's supposed to. So now we'll take it to the wire wheel. When running your grinder, you never have your gloves on because if it snaps it pulls you in and no one wants to see the gore story. clean the weld up, that way you can see what your beam looks like on it. Once you have your weld clean, turn it off, turn it over, and look at your bead. Looks pretty good, huh? Once you establish that you got a good enough bead for your weld, then you're okay to move on. If you're satisfied with your MIG, you can move on to stick or TIG weld, which is your other type of welding machines, or weld. Your stick weld uses stick, your TIG uses tin, and your MIG uses a tin wire, which is fed through your welder, as you saw. With that being said, looks like I did a pretty good job right here.